morning, everybody. It's me, Michaela, back with another video. And today, I'm bringing you in a day of my life. So, as you just saw before, that was kind of a fail. We're not going to talk about it. But today, I have a lot of things to do. And I'll bring y'all with me because a lot of people want to see a day in my life for some reason. So, yeah, let's get to it.
3 hours later.
To place the baby.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Y'all really been watching me get ready this whole time. It's like 12 o'clock now. I don't really have plans to do anything till like 2, which is why I wasn't really planning on doing a day in my life because like my days are literally so boring. Like I've done nothing but shower and get dressed now. Besides what I was doing this morning, which really didn't work out. So now I'm gonna do my hair, which is like kind of crazy right now until I get it done like next week. But yeah, y'all can watch me do that too. Okay, y'all, so I finished my hair. I didn't really do nothing too much. Just did a little, whatever you want to call this, bun, I guess. So now, I really don't have anything else to do. So I'm going to get with y'all when I'm actually, like, doing what I got to do today. Because I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we just made it to Walmart and look at how far away we parked. Like, she did this on purpose because now we gotta walk all the way down there to the door. It is definitely that far. We're so far away from the door, but
We're literally in front.
we on a mission. We finding something. I still ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm looking for, but we are on a mission. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so we made it to Walmart. Y'all already told y'all that. We made it to the electronics. If you haven't figured it out already, look for a laptop. I guess I like this one. I don't know nothing about laptops, so I really just picked this one because it looks nice and it's pretty and it's pink. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Let me see. You know, I think I might be able to get it in here. Let me make sure.
We don't know. We don't know what we're doing. She doesn't know what she's doing. I know what I'm doing. But yeah, I really want to look for a camera. So y'all, if you know or don't know already, I had like a camera thing, but I didn't really like it. So I said I was gonna get me a different camera. And I kind of know what camera I want, but I'm still keeping my options open, you know. So I'm gonna try to find one. I know we're going to Best Buy after this, so I'm trying to find one in there, and then yeah, we're gonna keep looking, y'all. But right now I'm just exploring. I'm trying to find the cameras. I don't think they have cameras in Walmart, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when we make some progress. Okay, y'all, we just left Walmart and we got a whole bunch of like stuff we didn't come in there for. So now we're going to Best Buy.
Yes, that's where we're going. So get back on 6:35.
So I'm gonna look at cameras. We're gonna look at some of our laptops. And yeah, I don't know. I might end up getting a camera today. We gonna see y'all. Y'all, we made it to Best Buy. Looking at the laptops, they okay, they decent. Nothing really sparks my interest, if you know what I mean. These are real nice. Like, they're like $1,500, and I'm too broke for that right now. Am I gonna need a printer?
We'll find out.
I might not need a printer.
I don't know. Might be able to email your assignments to the professor. So
Y'all,
you'll find out.
I'm gonna go find the cameras because that's what I'm looking for. But I got the virtual reality thing. They're dirty.
No, so I can be freaked out and scared again.
I want them headphones.
Well, my new laptops have the 4.3, 4.6, 4.5, 4.2. They must be apparently they're good laptops.
Yeah.
We can ask them, do they have it? Don't let us know. But we're gonna check next door. See if they have it. We can ask them first. Wanna ask them?
About what?
That laptop.
Oh yeah.
I
Can't find what I'm looking for.
Because I really love this book.
This is nice. Yeah, I see this. This is real nice. Like for real. Yeah, see me. I wonder if I can see how it works.
And while you're doing it, I'll be back.
Okay. I don't think they're gonna cut on. But I really like this.
My thing is, this one says
Oh no, yeah, I'm finna stop messing with stuff and go find what I'm actually looking for. Oh, he's gone. This might be another fail, y'all. I'm gonna be so disappointed if it is. Cause I actually like committed myself to buying this camera today. And now I can't find it. Or find any for the matter. So y'all, I thought I was crazy, but I'm not. These just the only cameras they have. So I'm definitely probably gonna have to order it. So yeah, disappointed. But we are still looking for a laptop. I don't know. Best Buy doesn't have anything in here really. Fail. But it's okay, y'all, because I'm gonna order it. I didn't want to order it. I wanted to have it like with me right now, but it's okay. My aunt like left me. I don't know where she went. I gotta find her. Where did she go? But on the other hand, y'all should be really proud of me because I've been getting the content recently. Like, I said I was gonna do this and I really committed to it. Should I get this? I don't need another tripod. I got like 3. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna go look at this other one though because they got one over here, but it's like, it's nice. We're gonna see about it. Hey y'all. So we left, where we just left? Best Buy. Now we in Office Depot. Y'all, I didn't know all these places sold laptops. But, yeah. She over there looking at those. I'm like exploring a little bit. Cause you know me, I'm still looking for a camera. But I don't think Office Depot got cameras. And I know we're going into Target next. So, I know they definitely have them. But I'm just really looking now because I might come back in here when it's time for back to school shopping. Stay tuned for that vlog and get me some school supplies. Like, they got some nice stuff in here. I could have sworn they shut down all the Office Depots, but I guess I was wrong. Look at this stuff, y'all. It's so cute. And it's a pencil holder. I'll definitely be back in here when the time comes to back to school shop. Look at this chair. It's gray. It's my favorite color. I got a gray chair in my registry though, and I might get that one. Here got another one, but this one got no armrest. I don't know about y'all, but I need an armrest on my chairs. I don't know. Some people say that's weird, like being picky about armrests, but I don't know, y'all. I need armrests. Because if I don't have one, then I'll just go crazy. I'm not even going to sit in the chair for real. But yeah, we in here looking at the laptops. Let me go back over here. Where do I see candy? Yeah. I'm going to have to get a mouse too. I didn't even think about that. But yeah. Did this one cut off?
What I was trying to say, somebody emailing here. Maybe it's the guy that work here. I'm trying to see something. They were saying that certain apps you couldn't. I mean, I still have a little app.
Yeah, we made it to Target. We didn't really travel much considering we just walked like 10 steps or whatever. But we here. Don't know where we're going. We never know where we're going.
So I have this right here.
But it's okay.
This is.
Y'all, I think we found the one. Hopefully. I really like this one. And it's blue and everything. I'm not going to show y'all yet. But if we do get it, I'm going to do like a little unboxing in this video. Well, I'm just doing unboxing it in the video anyway. Whether it's today or not. But, yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back. And, oh. Anyways, I finally made it back home, and now I'm gonna show y'all everything I got today, which I shouldn't say everything because I really didn't get anything that much. But yeah, after we left Target, I went to Half Price and I got these two books by Freedom McFadden, whatever it is. And yeah, I recently just got into her books and I love like the plot twist and stuff, so I was really going for this one specific book, The Inmate, but they didn't have it, so I got that. And the thing I was actually getting today, I got my laptop, y'all. So now if I do a little unboxing or whatever and just show y'all what it looks like, I need something to open this. I didn't think this through, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna use my keys. Wait. I don't even have a key on here, but we're gonna get this open, y'all. I didn't even break the seal. Okay, give me like 1 second. What am I saying? I'm acting like y'all my child or something. But yeah, I'm trying to be careful because I really don't know like where it's at in here. So yeah. Okay. Okay, y'all. I got it open. I'm trying to be careful because I don't really have it like stable. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. What is Okay, that's it. So it came with this little instruction thing. I don't really need this right now. We're gonna come back to that. The charger, of course, and yeah. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, that's it, but whatever. We're gonna open this, and I got the one. It's like it's a touch screen, and it's like the one you can fold and stuff. And that was really like a big part in picking up my laptop, cause I love those features. It's a HP. I think it's 14 inches. I think I might be wrong. And yeah, open it up. There's a protective thing in here. Don't need that. Oh, and I got the blue one, y'all. I was gonna get the pink, but I don't know. This blue really just like it stood out to me for some reason. But yeah, y'all, that's all for this video. Oh no, I'm lying. I'm not lying, but I am lying. That's all for this unboxing part of this video. But yeah, it's so pretty. It's a Chromebook. I really don't know nothing about laptops, y'all, but this is nice. Got it for college. It should get me through there. Oh yeah. Y'all, we made it to this. It's a festival.
No, it is the Farmer's Branch 4th of July celebration. So it's a firework celebration, and it's kind of like festival-ish. They got food trucks. They have, there'll be fireworks. There are games. Obviously, there are like freaking carnival games. And
Oh, we ain't go over there.
I want a funnel cake. So hopefully they like it, or
It's a lot of folks out here, y'all. It's like at least 1,000 people.
yeah, a lot of people.
It's a lot of people. And it's getting hot.
Yeah.
But I got my Stanley Cup.
I feel like you're probably on this way. You don't think so?
The face painting.
I'm gonna go get my face painted. I'm gonna get a red, white, and blue flag. And yeah. Yeah.
I know these girls know. Let's go, kids. Hey! I'm not playing it. That's right. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Hello, y'all. I'm back. I'm just here to close the video out. It's been a very obviously long day. So now I'm fit to decompress and go to sleep and get ready for tomorrow, you know? Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.